weight, aluminium frame, the 21-speed Shimano gears, the quick-release saddle, the adjustable handlebars, V-system brakes front and back, the spokes, they're zinc-coated, so they are absolutely protected against corrosion and rust. £68, now he attempted. Now we've gone through the £70 barrier. 0901 290 0035, 40 spaces left. 0901 290 0035, that's the number to now get on the phone at £67 for this particular bike. That is astonishing. Lots of new buyers showing interest. The legendary Rosaline from Uckfield joins us. It's only Rosaline and the new buyers scrolling across the screen right now. Keep dropping in for it then. Now at £65, 39 spaces left. Let's say good evening to Tamsin Hartley.
Hello. Yo.
You didn't want to do that, did you?
No.
You're only delicate. She's only a delicate thing.
Last time, the first time I met you, you nearly broke my arm off.
Sorry. I'm stroking you now. What you got for me,
I got
Tamsin?
Star drop from Rita. And she says, hi to everyone at pricedrop.tv. Just wanted to say that over the past couple of months, I've bought so many items from you that I've lost count. And I've saved so much money, it's unbelievable. Thank you very much, Rita.
You're welcome, Rita. We love you.
We do.
We do. We do. From the... there.
Bottom of our...
Indeed, indeed. If you want to email us for any reason...
all you have to do is type in stardrops at price-drop.tv.
Indeed, and for just 2 minutes of your time, we could reward you with £250 to spend right here in our monthly draw. We're seeing lots of towns in between now and 1 a.m.
1 a.m.
1 a.m. I sometimes feel the same, not all the time. Back we go over here to this bike, 30 spaces left now at £64. You know what I said to you earlier on, don't wait for the price to go as low as 80. I really thought £80 would have been the turning point for this price drop. We're now at 63, and there's only 2 or 3 people on the lines right now. Dearo, as my grandmother used to say, Dearo law. I don't know what law is, but there we are. Sue from Oswestry, you've got yours. Mark from Saltash. Lots of new buyers again, scrolling across the screen along with now Christine from Richmond. For this bike, this really is a phenomenal price. The bike we had earlier on locked at under £60. It was not as high a spec bike as this. It didn't have the aluminium frame. It had 18 gears instead of 21. It had a different grade of suspension forks as well. These particular Zoom suspension forks are the 250 Escapes. They are better than the ones we had on the bike earlier. It's horses for courses. You see the bike you like, you drop in on the bike that you want. However, 17 spaces left now on this. 15, remember, this bike suitable for anybody between 5'2" and 6'1". 14 spaces left. David's in from Keith, Tanya from Tunbridge, Deborah from Hailsham, John from Nottingham, more new buyers joining us, a lot